Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make name in Infinite Craft. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Creating name in Infinite Craft, it's very easy. So just follow my steps. Here you can see I'm creating it step by step. Just follow these steps. It's a quite long process, so you have to do it constantly and making lots of things. You have to make lots of things and match them to create name in Infinite Craft. So consistency is a needy thing here. You can see in the background what I'm creating here and what I'm doing. Just follow the steps to create name. As you can see, name has been created. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.